It's strawberry season, y'all. I went to Greyrock and got me some. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful? Oh my God, they were so nice and sweet. Now, Greyrock Farms moved. Okay, they're in Woodruff now. Okay, I got my strawberries already cut up, and I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar per gallon. Next, I'm going to put them in some quart-size freezer bags. Now, the writing didn't stay on because I wasn't using a permanent marker, but after they're frozen, I will go back and write on there again. And this is my sugar-packed strawberries. I have 6 quarts out of 2 gallons. And y'all, they were nice and sweet. I still added the sugar because that's going to help keep them. All right, they're in season. It's the best time to go get them.